this is Natalie. Today I'm so excited to show you my new Valentine's exploding box card. We are going to use flowers. I already pre-rearranged. I have another video how to arrange these flowers. But today we're gonna put all these the base papers for the exploding box card and decorate the card together. Let's start with the first piece of the base paper on the darker pink color. If you can see here, I have the scrolling line here. Let's fold it along with the line. If you have the bond folder, you can use the bond folder to make it easier to fold for you. And I'm not sure you can see this scrolling score line here between the hearts. It's very hard to see. Once you fold all the four sides, you're just going to fold the heart, the center of the heart like this. Just be careful that you don't bend the heart. You have to fold it exactly the center of the heart, otherwise it's gonna come out. Looks like the paper is damaged. Alright, so this is the first base of the exploding box. See, that was easy. And let's put the second layer. The second layer, I don't want to put hearts between the paper. I think it's too much, but you also can do that. It depends on how you like it. But for this one, I'm not gonna put a heart in between the squares. So you need to fold along these score lines on four sides. Like this. So before you glue them together, I recommend to put the decorating papers first. Let's start with the one that outside first. So I have cut the papers. This is gonna be my for the base paper. The glue is very important because if you don't use a very good glue, papers will not stick for a very long time and then you have to fix the paper. I have that experience all the time when I use cheap glue, and then I have to end up buying more expensive glue. And make sure that you choose the direction of the decorating paper, how you want to decorate it. Then you put the decorating papers on the second layer on both sides, which I did this part already. So it looks like this, and then you glue two layers together. Make sure the second layer is centered. And once it's done, this is the base paper, so it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna show you how to make the box lid separately. And right now, let's decorate the box together. So I print this Happy Valentine's Day with the hearts and put some bling in the center of the heart, so it looks a little bit more elegant. And I'm gonna use the double side tape. So you add a little bit of dimension of this paper so it looks like not cheap stickers that you can buy from store. Then I also prepared a bouquet of flowers. This is very nice to give to someone who's allergic to real flowers or allergic to pollen. I want to tell you this because when you close it, sure that the flowers stay okay. So it looks like it's a little bit too tight. You want to make sure that you adjust the paper and the box very well and how you arrange the flowers. This one I arranged a little bit too big and too tight, but I think that's okay because I love all the flowers. See how easy it is to make your own exploding box card. For the dimensions and how to make this from scratch, follow the instruction below. Now let's make the box lid. So you will get a piece of paper looks like this, and the measurement, you can follow a different video from making this lid from scratch. I have the dimensions, how to measure and cut this box lid. So now you have to follow along with the score lines. For the outer side, I like to use double tape. It holds better and is stronger and is easy to work with when you are making a box lid. Because if you use just glue, it will take a while for the glue to get dry. For the double side tape, there's so many brands out there. I have been trying so many brands, good and bad, and this is my favorite one. If you want to know what it is, follow information on the link below. Alright, so let's put the glue on this side, inside the flaps here. So the box lid base is done. Let's put the decorating papers. You always cut the decorating paper a little bit smaller than the actual size of the lid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you for watching. Bye!